I'm Mr. T and I'm a night elf more, night elf more, a night elf more. So don't give me no back talk. Some smack talking fools been saying Mr. T can't change the World of Warcraft. He ain't no computer hacker. Well, ask me this, suckers. How do you explain the more today? I'm Mr. T and I'm a night elf more, night elf more, a night elf more.
Oh yeah, Mario, oh yeah, Mario number one. Here we go. I'm gonna get you, I got you. I'm gonna get you, I got you. Bye bye, yahoo!
I somehow lost my pads, lost my pads. Things do not look good. Things went a bit crazy and lost my pads. Don't judge a book by its cover. That's what you taught me. When a book is called no pads, I don't need to read it.
I'm Mr. T and I'm a night elf more.
Lost my pads.
Night elf more.
I'm gonna get you, I got you.
Happy holidays from Kotaku.
Bye bye.
Tell me who is the best unintentional singer? More auto-tune than news in January.
Yahoo!